How to fix high ping in Windows 11 or 10. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, hold your Window and R button at the same time, and then type regedit and then click on OK. So click on yes, you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. So go ahead and select HKey classes root, and then click on File, and then click on Export. So you can export this to any location that you want. And if you want to go back to the same settings, then you can just click on File, and then click on Import, and then import the file that you have exported. So next thing you can do is come down to HKey local machine, click on this arrow button of software, and then click on the arrow button of Microsoft, and then come down to Windows NT, and then click on this arrow of current version. Then click on this arrow of multimedia, and then left click on system profile. So you'll see this network throttling index, so right click on that, and then click on modify. So you'll see this value data, so type capital F 8 times, and then click on OK. So you'll see how I got here by looking at this up here. So if you missed a step, you can just follow these. So if this doesn't work, click on Windows and R button again, and then type ncpa.cpl and then click on OK. So right click on your Wi-Fi and then go to properties. So you'll see this Internet Protocol version 4. So click on that and then go to properties. Click on use the following DNS server address, and then in preferred DNS server, type 8 and the dot is already here. So 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS server, go ahead and type 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK. So if this doesn't work, you can just type 1.1.1.1, and in alternate DNS server, you can just type 1.0.0.1 and then click on OK. So this is how to fix high ping in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.